Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers. You're watching a news with me Resti Dwi Fitri. We will bring you the most update news from all around Indonesia.
The westernmost region of Jambi Province, Kerinci Regency, was again hit by hail on Wednesday, 21 August. But the rain did not occur evenly. It only occurred in the Kayu Aru district area, precisely around the Mount Kerinci area. The rain felt very cold and accompanied by strong wind. It turned out there are also ice grain. The calm down Said Rizal, a resident of Kayu Aru, Rizal of the Kerinci Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics, Mardiansah say hail usually occurred in a very local area. Thus, he said the CV cloud, which is a crystal that began to fall as rain. Due to the strong winds from the CV cloud did not have that tendency to melt below the surface of the ground. This happened in the transition season.
That's the news for today. Enjoy your activities and see you soon. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.